What's up YouTube, KillaCyst here. So today's video is a short tutorial. Basically, I work from home now since the pandemic, and a little annoying thing keeps happening. I'm connected to RDP to remote session, and my company has this lockout feature where it'll automatically lock your computer or VM, whatever you're connected to, after like 5 minutes of being away. So you can be going to make a cup of coffee or cooking a bagel or something, come back, you're already locked out. In the office it didn't really matter because we always locked our computers manually when we were working, but just security purposes. But if you're working from home and you're by yourself, it's really annoying to type a 24-character password over and over, like hourly basis pretty much, if you go AFK for a couple of minutes. Found out that you can do this little trick and never get disconnected unless your internet drops. I did some research. Some people were saying, oh, just run a PowerPoint presentation if you're have to go AFK or whatever, it won't disconnect, but it seemed like a pain in the ass, just because it would take up the full screen or whatever. But this way that I figured out, you can leave the program minimized and you want to enter in your password. Obviously, this is for educational purposes. If it's against your company policy, then don't do it. I'm not going to be held liable, but anyways, this is how I did it. So on any computer that's a Windows device, it's going to have these two programs that I'm going to use. So the first one going to be Paint. So MS Paint, you've all used this. You can either draw something or just save it as is. I'm just going to do there, little scribble marks. Then just save. Yeah, let's just say you can name it anything. Save an image. For this trick, you can use any image you want if it's on your computer. I didn't have any images on my work computer, so I just used Paint to make one. It doesn't really matter because you're not going to be looking at it anyways. So once you save that, save it anywhere. Save as you can save as a PNG, doesn't matter. You can close out of Paint, and next thing you're gonna want to do is go find that image. Here I saved it to a new folder. You can save it anywhere. What you're going to want to do is right click on it, and then let's see, open with. It's not going to show the program you're going to open with here probably, because it's not meant for really images. The next program you're going to want to use or find is Windows Media Player. That's installed on every Windows device, no matter what. Comes with Windows. So you want to open this image file with this program, Windows Media Player, and then this is the key here. Always want to use this app to open the PNG file. So basically, if you create a shortcut to that image on your desktop, once you log in, you can just click on it. And then the next tip is make sure that looping is on. So once that's looping, just minimize that and you can stay logged in. It won't disconnect, obviously, unless you lose connection. So when you start your day off, you just want to double click on that image and it will open up. Since it was set to the default open with this and set it to loop, just have it running in the background, and Windows will stay active and it will not disconnect you. Anyways, guys, if this helped you in any way, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.